And a couple of pieces of test equipment that I own. There's the Fluke 96B. That's a 60 meg dual beam scope meter, so you can actually use it as a regular meter with a scope display. And then down here we've got the Precision 1541A analog scope. That's about a 40, I think it's about a 40 meg analog scope, which I use from time to time. As you can see there, it is actually a 40 meg analog scope. One of my other scopes, it's a little tablet type scope. There's the model number there for anybody that's interested. A couple of more scopes that I own. I've got the Rigol DS1052E, which is a dual beam 50 meg scope. Quite popular scope, relatively inexpensive, and I think used by a lot of hobbyists. And then down the bottom here I've got the Gould, I think it's the OS, it says down here, OS 3000A. That's a pretty old scope, gosh. Trying to think when I actually got that one. I think that's a 40 meg scope, somewhere in the region of a 40 meg scope. It's getting a bit old now and needs a good overhaul. Let's not forget this little one here. I don't really use it, but it's available. A little portable scope. If I want a battery operated scope. And the model number, if you're interested, ADS50128H. That's that little guy there. The scope I probably use the most right now, and that's the Fluke 199C, and it's a 200 meg 2.5 gigasample per second digital storage scope. One of my favorites, and it probably gets the most use of all the scopes. It's isolated inputs, totally portable, battery operated, and I get to use it quite often in my fault finding. And as you can see, I've got the case for it as well, the storage case, which is a nice touch. And just to show off a little bit more of my test equipment, I've got some scope meters as well. It's the Fluke 105B, the Fluke 196-202, and the Fluke 199C scope meter. These are both 200 meg scope meters, and this is a 100 meg scope meter, and all part of my collection. These are dual beam, well actually they're all dual beam scopes. And you can set this for the to be meter and scope simultaneously, or you can switch between the scope on its own and the meter, which is meter and scope together. And then with these other two, you switch between the scope and meter, so that's the meter function. And obviously the scope has measurement functions at the top here that's selectable. So yeah, some of my pride and joy, and they all have cases and accessories and so forth. So anyway, that's some of my test equipment that I use. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks again. Bye for now.